All right, let's jump straight into this explainer. We are looking at a literal roadmap for the future. Specifically, 7 completely legitimate, beginner-friendly ways to make money online as we head into 2026. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the noise out there about online side hustles, well, this structured breakdown is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in.
Just picture this for a second. What if you could actually earn real money while sitting comfortably on your couch at home? I know, it sounds like a total dream, but for a rapidly growing chunk of the population, it's just their everyday reality. And we're not talking about weird gimmicks here, we are talking about genuinely leveraging the internet to create a sustainable extra income stream month after month.
And the best part? The old gatekeepers are totally gone. You can completely scratch the need for a fancy college degree, and you absolutely don't need a huge established business to get started. Millions of people across America are already proving this. What you actually need is pretty simple. Just an internet connection and consistency. That's it.
Here is our agenda for today. 1. The 2026 opportunity. 2. Monetizing your skills. 3. Selling products online. 4. Building a profitable audience. And 5. Your blueprint for success.
Section 1. The 2026 opportunity from a few hundred to millions.
Okay, so it's super important to understand the landscape we're operating in right now, and frankly, the sheer scale of the opportunity is mind-blowing. We're literally talking about millions. Sure, some people just use the internet to earn a few hundred extra bucks to help cover groceries or rent, which is absolutely fantastic, by the way. But others? They are building businesses worth millions. The ceiling is practically non-existent. It really just depends on how far you want to push it.
But here's the real kicker. The difference between the people who crush it and the people who don't? It isn't some magical stroke of luck. It's simply choosing the right opportunity and staying incredibly consistent. It's not a lottery ticket, you guys. It's a process.
Section 2. Monetizing your skills. Freelancing, AI, and tutoring.
Now, this is usually the absolute fastest way to start seeing actual cash. Let's talk freelancing first. If you can write, edit videos, design graphics, code, or run social media, businesses are actively throwing money at those skills right now on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Then you've got AI services. Look, businesses desperately need help actually using artificial intelligence for things like writing, research, or just automating their workflows. You step in, save them a ton of time, and get paid for it. And finally, tutoring. If you know a valuable skill, literally anything from math to music to business, you can instantly connect with students globally. A lot of beginners completely freeze up here, right? Because they think they need this massive, impressive portfolio to even start. But you don't. You seriously do not need years of experience. You just need to follow a super simple formula. Start with one single skill. Deliver really high-quality work to your very first client. Collect a glowing review. And then just keep improving. Your reputation basically snowballs and becomes your main source of income.
Section 3. Selling products online. Digital products and print on demand.
Okay, so what if you don't want to directly trade your precious time for money? Well, creating digital products is your next best bet. We're talking ebooks, budget templates, printable planners, digital art, online courses, the whole 9 yards. Think about it. If you can solve a specific problem for someone, like, say, helping them organize their messy finances with a simple spreadsheet, you can build something incredibly valuable. And the absolute best part about digital products, they are downloaded instantly. You literally do the hard work to create the product once, and then you can sell it an infinite number of times. No shipping costs eating into your profits, 0 boxes of inventory cluttering up your living room. It is just an incredibly scalable way to do business.
But hey, maybe you really want to sell physical products, but you just don't want the headache of dealing with boxes and shipping tape. That is exactly where print on demand comes in. It's a brilliant model. Step 1, your only job is to create cool designs and market your store. Think custom t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, whatever. Step 2, a customer places an order. And step 3 is where the magic happens. A third-party company automatically prints and ships that exact product directly to your customer. You never even touch the item. Creativity and consistency are way more important here than having some massive startup budget.
Section 4. Building a profitable audience. Affiliate marketing and YouTube.
Building a profitable audience is definitely playing the long game. It's all about building real trust, fostering a community, and just constantly providing value. And YouTube, it has become one of the most powerful engines for this on the entire planet. The really crazy part is that you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Niches like educational videos, finance, tech, history, motivation, animation. These can blow up massively over time without you ever stepping in front of a camera lens. It definitely won't happen overnight, but high-quality content builds a fiercely loyal audience.
So once you actually have that audience, whether it's on YouTube, a blog, or social media, how do you actually make money from it? Affiliate marketing is the answer, and it's brilliantly simple. You just recommend helpful products or services using a special trackable link. If someone clicks your link and buys the thing, boom, you earn a commission.
But listen, here is the absolute golden rule of audience building, and you cannot forget this. Trust is your biggest asset. The secret to affiliate marketing isn't just spamming links everywhere and pushing every random product you can find. No way. It is about recommending things that genuinely help people. If you protect your audience's trust, your business will absolutely thrive. But if you break that trust, well, you don't have a business anymore.
Section 5. Your blueprint for success. The secret sauce. We have definitely covered a ton of ground today, looking at 7 totally different legit paths. But how do you actually apply this without your head spinning? The internet gives us so many options now that it's super easy to get analysis paralysis. So here is the honest truth. You do not need to try all 7 of these methods. In fact, scratch that. You shouldn't try all 7. Choose one, just one. Learn it deeply. Put your blinders on, improve your skills in that one specific area, and stay incredibly consistent. Building an online income takes time, and constantly bouncing from shiny new idea to shiny new idea is only going to slow you down. Laser focus is your secret weapon here.
Look, every single successful creator, freelancer, and online entrepreneur started exactly where you are sitting right now, staring at a blank screen, just needing to make a decision to start. The opportunity for 2026 is wide open and waiting for you. So I'm going to leave you with this final critical question to chew on. Which of these 7 paths are you going to choose to master?